All right, what's up, guys? It's about 8 p.m. We just got to the shop. I woke up this morning, killer headache. I think it would actually be considered a migraine. And, I was just, all week, I was working out in the freezing, cold, rain, yuck. So I decided I was going to take the morning portion off. So I hung out, played with the kiddo until about noon. And that is when I was just getting ready to come out to the shop to start working, to start cutting down all this aluminum. And I got a call, another boiler repair. So we ran out and I figured I might as well just do it now because right now we're getting another storm rolling through with more snow and cold temperatures. So we went between leaving the driveway and getting back, and I did have to make one stop. Took me a little over 4 hours, maybe 5 hours. 5 hours because I had to make a stop on the way there, and then on the drive back it was really slow because the weather was turning. So, all that being said, we have to do some work in the shop. Probably going to be out here for 4 hours. Here's my punch list. I have 2 flatbeds to build. I got to order steel for both of them. I have to cut down some angle iron because I have a set of ramps that are going out tomorrow, and I have the C-channel cut out, but I don't have the angle iron cut out yet. So, which actually, now that I say that, I might. I have to check. Either way, I know I have stock angle iron. It needs to be cut down, so it's going to get cut down. And then I'll inventory how much angle iron I have. And if I have enough angle iron to make 2 sets of ramps, I will order the extra C-channel on the steel truck for Friday and get it here, and then I can have 2 sets of ramps stocked and made up. I want to try and get to the point where I have 5 sets of ramps stocked and made up, but, we'll get there. And then the big thing is we have to cut all this down. I would like to get this job done. I'd like to get this job done this week, so it'd be really great if tonight I could get them all cut down. Tomorrow I could get them welded out and deliver them Friday. That's the goal. I want to work about 4 hours, maybe 5 hours tonight. We'll see. As you can see, my breath is already showing. We gotta somehow make time to get the shop finished. Otherwise, it's going to be freezing cold out here all winter, and I do not want to deal with that. Even if I could just get this back portion finished, as you can see, there we have a sheet hung. So if I could just get all of this finished, I would be way better off. And really, actually, I'm looking at this. All I have to do here is hang it. So maybe I'll work, because you can actually hear the wind whistling through here. And it makes it so cold in here so fast. So maybe I will do that tonight. Maybe I will, because I think those are 10 footers that I'm cutting down into 2 5-foot sections because I'm hanging them by myself. So I might do that. Might get some of that hung, so then at least I can get some insulation moved around. Because how it works is I had all this insulation up there, this foam stuff right there, up there laying in the rafters, just like I have it there for something. Well, I took it out so I could put up the drywall and then neatly stack it in there so it sits on the the running strips. So really all I gotta do is put up, what do I got room for here? I got one. I can put up 2 more sheets of drywall and get all of this covered. And then I just have probably 1, 2, I could do another 2 sheets. And then I have to take everything off this wall so I can drywall it. The other thing that we have to do is these electrical lines, for whatever reason, they didn't I have to pull them out, and I have to drill through all of these studs and then route it up through the header and over. So that's one thing we have to do. And then the other thing we have to do is these lights are kind of just sitting on top of a rafter. So we're actually going to come out to this rafter and make another crossbeam just like this, and then have drywall there, and then it will come up and move over. And then on this side, really there's nothing that's going to be a super bad headache, other than going around the garage door opener, which really shouldn't be bad. There's 1, 2, 4, 5 spots that I have to go around, so that's not terrible by any means. So well, and then yeah, with their doors shoot up, but that's just a couple more spots, so that's not terrible. And that's actually relatively pretty easy. It's just laying it out, marking it out, and then putting it up there. But yeah, so we got a lot to do tonight. The big thing is getting this aluminum done. Second big thing is getting our steel order ready. The snow pusher is on hold still. I think it's going to end up being, I'll probably use that one and then build myself a bigger one, and then just move that one into the stock area. That's my plan. But I'm actually curious. So we have a 50 or 55 horsepower tractor. So I'm curious, because it's only 2-wheel drive, how well it pushes. I mean, I'm sure it will vary on different snows, but the big thing is I want to get these done because we got 2 working weeks until Christmas, and I need to get both of my flatbed jobs done before Christmas. So, and they're both hitches. One of them's boxes. It's going to be a bunch of work. So, yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hope you guys like the video. And yeah, we'll talk about it on the next one. Don't forget to enter to win. Go back in our videos and find the Win a 3/4 bandsaw. We are picking a winner. We're drawing a winner on Saturday, December 7th. So there's still time. About 60 people entered, so make sure you go check that out. And then probably sometime January, February, we'll announce what we're going to give away for July 4th, and all that good stuff. So anyways, guys, thank you, and stay safe if you're driving out there. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers.